Ladies, I know how much pride we take in keeping our homes beautiful, especially our bathrooms. It's that one place where we want everything to feel calm, fresh, and inviting. Whether we're getting ready for the day or preparing for guests, a clean-smelling bathroom sets the mood for the entire home. But lately, have you ever stepped inside, even after cleaning, and thought, it still doesn't smell quite right? Not terrible, not strong, just not fresh. You're not the only one. More and more doctors are noticing that many women over 60 are unknowingly making small bathroom mistakes that cause lingering odors, particularly that faint urine scent no one likes to mention. And it's not about being unclean or careless, it's simply old habits that don't work as well anymore. Our homes have changed, our bodies have changed, and sometimes our routines need to change, too. So, in today's video, I'll gently walk you through 7 common bathroom mistakes that might be making your home smell less than pleasant. Some are easy to overlook. One of them, I'll admit, I had been doing wrong for years. And number 6 honestly broke my heart when I discovered what it was doing to me. I'll explain each mistake and share simple, senior-friendly solutions you can start today. These are realistic, respectful tips that protect your comfort and peace of mind. So, settle in, and let's take it one calm, thoughtful step at a time. Let's begin with one of the most overlooked spots at the base of the toilet. When we clean, we usually focus on the bowl, the seat, maybe the handle, but the area where the toilet meets the floor often gets ignored. I learned this the hard way. After a visit from my daughter's family, something just didn't smell right. I had cleaned everything, a sink, bowl, floor, and yet the odor stayed. So I got down with a flashlight and looked closely at the base. What I found wasn't pleasant: a ring of dust, hair, and a faint yellow stain. Over time, small splashes, especially if you live with men or boys, it can collect at the base and in the grout, trapping odors. Even a clean-looking floor can hide smells. Doctors say this is one of the main causes of that subtle urine odor that just won't go away. The fix is gentle. Use a long-handled cleaning tool or a flexible scrubber with enzyme cleaner once a week. Enzymes break down odors at the source. It takes only a couple of minutes and makes a noticeable difference. Next, let's talk about those soft, fabric mats that wrap around the toilet. They look cozy but can trap moisture and bacteria. I used to love Mia until I realized it was holding onto a sour smell I couldn't wash out. Unless you wash these mats in hot water weekly, they can store odor, causing bacteria. Switching to a washable, rubber-backed mat placed outside the splash zone or skipping it altogether keeps things fresher. A small change, but it makes cleaning easier and the air cleaner. Now, here's one that surprised me: flushing with the lid up. It seems harmless, but every flush releases an invisible mist of particles that can travel several feet, landing on your counters, towels, even toothbrushes. It's called toilet plume, and once I learned about it, I started flushing only with the lid closed. If your toilet doesn't have a lid, adding one is simple and makes a huge difference. I also started keeping my toothbrush in a drawer and changing towels more often. These tiny changes made my bathroom feel noticeably fresher. Another mistake many of us make is forgetting to clean under the toilet seat and around the rim. I thought I was doing a great job until my granddaughter helped me clean one day and lifted the seat off completely. What we found underneath shocked me: hidden buildup and residue I had never seen. Those small crevices can trap grime that causes odor. Removing the seat every so often to clean underneath takes just minutes but keeps your bathroom genuinely clean, not just surface clean. Now, this next one is delicate but important: disposing of incontinence products properly. If you use liners or briefs, you're far from alone. It's a common part of aging. The mistake is tossing them in an open trash bin and letting them sit too long. Even if it's closed, the smell builds up over time. I switched to a sealed bin with scented liners and started placing each used product in a small disposable bag before throwing it away. Emptying the bin nightly made my bathroom smell clean again and gave me back a sense of privacy and control. Another overlooked area is the wall behind the toilet. It's easy to forget about, but if you live with men or boys, small splashes can land there and dry over time, causing subtle odors. I discovered this by accident after cleaning everything else and still smelling something off. A quick wipe once a week with vinegar and warm water completely fixed it. It's amazing how such a small detail can make such a big difference. And finally, leaving damp towels hanging too long. I used to hang mine on a hook, thinking it would dry. But towels need air to dry completely, otherwise they start to smell musty. Hanging them flat on a towel bar helps them dry faster. Opening a window or leaving the door open after a shower also helps. Now, I keep a few extra clean towels under the sink so I can swap them out easily. The feeling of using a dry, fresh towel each day is a small joy worth keeping. So there you have it, 7 small but meaningful bathroom habits that can make your space smell fresher and feel calmer. These aren't about perfection or keeping up appearances. They're about comfort, peace, and self-respect. Taking care of your home at this stage in life isn't about doing more, it's about doing what works best for you. You're not behind, you're adapting, growing, and continuing to care for yourself and your space with wisdom and grace. If any of these tips resonated with you, share your thoughts or your own tricks in the comments. And if you found value here, give the video a like, it helps other women find these gentle reminders. Remember, a clean bathroom isn't about impressing guests, it's about creating a space that brings you peace, freshness, and the reminder that you deserve care every single day.